Most people overcomplicate, go high level, so I'm gonna actually show you how I landed my first client that was a monthly reoccurring client without ads, without a team, and you guys can copy and paste the exact system today. I run the largest go high level community on School, and we have over 1,000 members inside this community. Inside this community, I go ahead and teach and show you guys exactly what's working inside of my successful marketing agency that uses this exact method. So this isn't just theory, this is actually what I do every single day to bring in more clients for my business. If you want to join the community, you can join it down below. But essentially what we're going to be going over today is picking one simple service, finding local businesses without websites, building a demo site in about 20 minutes, sending your exact first DM, and then how to upsell later. The best offers start with a $97 a month hosting and maintenance. And then we layer in services like reputation management or Google review request. So what I'm sharing here isn't just theory, it's the same playbook that I use and still use in my business today. Now, the plan today is to show you exactly how to land your first client using Go High Level. You need to pick one simple service. There's no funnels, no complicated stack. Just offer one free website plus a missed call text back automation because every business needs these two things. Now, in order to find local businesses, the best place to start is actually Google Maps. Because in Google Maps, you can type in local service businesses like roofers. And a lot of these companies are going to have Google My Business pages, but these Google My Business pages actually don't have any websites attached. So if we scroll down a little bit, we're going to see, here's a company right here, RNA Roofing. They have a 5-star average review rating with 63 reviews. They have tons of pictures and great reviews here, but they actually don't have a website attached to their business. So this is a prime candidate for a company that actually needs our service. So we can build them a website inside of Go High Level and then sell it to them for $97 a month, plus a website build fee. Now, building them a mobile optimized website is actually pretty easy. It's not as complicated as it used to be when you used to have to hire coders and actually have a team of people building a website in HTML. Now, everything is pretty much drag and drop, and that makes it super simple for anyone like us to come in and just drag and drop, add some copy in there, and actually use AI and ChatGPT to come up with the ad copy for the website. Essentially, you can get GPT-5 to build the whole thing for you, and you just have to plug all the pieces in and make the sale. Now, why would somebody want one of these websites? Because it's fast delivery, client ready, and you can build it within a week. These are fully responsive, flawless on phones and tablets and desktops, and they're super simple to make. I have other videos going over exactly how to build them that you can check out up here that go in more in depth of how to use the actual website builder inside of Go High Level. Now, clients love these mobile optimized websites because there's more leads and sales. Their websites are actually designed to turn visitors into customers, and we actually use good call to actions that make their clients purchase from them. Now, how I price all this is $97 a month for hosting, support, and maintenance, and $300 to $500 for a one-time setup fee for these websites. Now, you can always negotiate the one-time setup fee, but I would try to keep the $97 a month for the hosting and support and maintenance, because if they need anything done on the website, it does take time to come in and change a few tweaks for them. Now, we host them on Go High Level. You can buy the domains through Go High Level, and that gives us full control over this specific product that we're selling to them. Now, the next step in this is the outreach method. And you can do cold calls, which works very, very well, especially in niches that the owner is very accessible. For example, if it is a roofing company or a lawn care company, about 80 to 90% of the time when you make a call to this company, you're going to actually be talking to the business owner, which is great for us because that's the decision maker. And if you've ever done cold calls before, you understand that a big hurdle of making a sales call is getting to the decision maker. So this is a great method to target these specific niches to get a better chance of talking to that owner. Now, there are a ton of nice fancy automations you can do for outreach. There's Loom videos, there's custom Loom videos with N8N. There's a lot of things that you can build for the outreach engine, but right now we're gonna actually just go over to the next step, which is actually building the website from a template. And I'm gonna show you guys how easy that actually can be. So let's go new funnel and we'll go from template and we're gonna do construction. All right, this one looks pretty good. So what we're gonna do is hit continue, and that's gonna go ahead and add that into our library here. Now, the cool thing about the website builder here is everything's drag and drop. So it's super simple, super simple to go ahead and come in here and change everything around. Like, I don't like these about us outlines in red. I'm not a big fan of that. So if you go to styles over here, you can kind of decide what you're going to do. I just say maybe no border. Yeah, that's better. And maybe we could even increase the size here. So under general, you can change the text size. There we go. So 26. So I'm going to go 26, 26, and we can go no border here. No border. Okay, so that looks a little better here. Now, as you can see, you can just kind of go through here. And what I like to do is I like to actually go to the top rated in the place here. So find one that has like 1 billion reviews. For example, this one right here has 562 reviews. Let's go check out their website. Let's see what it looks like. It takes a while to load. Modern roofing. All right, so they have a chat widget in the bottom right, as you can see here. But the web page itself is taking a while to load. Yeah, that was interesting. Maybe I need to call them, build them a better website. So this was a bad example. This website actually is pretty bad. Let's go to this one. Here's a bunch of 5-star reviews. So as you can see, they have a form fill in the top right. So this is something that you need at the very start of your landing page. So that's super important that we add that in here, is grabbing that contact information right away. And whenever you're working on this, just make sure you hit save in the top right up here. Now, if you guys want to see me build out this entire website and funnel, I have other videos going over exactly how to do that. Now, the cool thing is you can build as many of these websites as you want inside of Go High Level, so it makes it really easy to mess around with these specific templates. Now, once you do build a website, the best strategy actually is to use that one website that you build as a prospecting tool. So for example, what you're going to do is you're going to build one website for roofers, and then you're going to go target that niche. And as you're targeting that niche, you're going to go ahead and use this website as a tool inside of your emails, inside of your demo calls to show them, hey, this is a website that I built that you can use and plug right into your business. So build once and prospect infinitely. And if you want one-on-one help selling websites to local businesses, go ahead and click my link down below and join my school community where I help everybody land their first client in 90 days or their money back. I hope you gained some value from today's video. I'll catch you in there.